Yes, I had to pull one of the bearings and reinstall. I'm working on number 6 upper, and I've been using my little rubber mallet to tap it in. I don't think that'll do any damage to the... I'm going to wipe it off in a minute, make sure this rubber hammer didn't do no damage. It shouldn't. I don't see nothing. I don't know if any of this is going to come out, because this is the camera's on my chest. The reason I'm not using my brass punch, yeah, I'm just showing you what I'm doing, what arming it. I was using my little rubber mallet to tap it in. I tapped it in about an inch, and then I wiped off the journal to make sure it didn't put no marks in it. It looks nice, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And anyway, this is number 6 journal. I'm just putting some of the top bearings in. These are standards. Remember, I had 0.001s on the bottom out. Okay, I got to move light around, and I'm sure the mallet, the rubber side's not going to cause any I don't see any damage. Looks about the same to me. Yeah, it's got some old wear and tear on the journal. I think what little we're seeing is some of that's reflection, some of it's a little wear. I see, maybe a little. That's from about 200,000 miles of rotating. But I didn't put no dings in it with the rubber mallet. Out for now. Okay, it went in there just right. I didn't even have to finish tapping it in with my, you can see, it looks good and even. And when you tighten those caps up, I believe when you start torquing them, it's going to pull all the surfaces together like they're supposed to be. Anyway, I was happy with that. I did that with my rubber mallet. Out for now. I've been working about an hour and a half or so, and I'm working on number 7. Right here, I got it partially in. I'm working my way in, and that on the upper crankshaft bearings, all I believe is number 3. I believe that's right there. Yeah, number 3, where the thrust bearing goes. I've got all the uppers, those 6, 5, 4, and 1 and 2. And now I'm working on number 7. Just tapping in with the rubber hammer seems to be working well. When I'm using 2 hands, that is. Oops. Got a little hand-eye coordination problem here, so I'm setting the camera down. I just want to show you what I'm doing. Same thing with each one. I'm using that small rubber mallet. Okay, guys, I got number 7 in, but I'm gonna take it back out. You see, if you look over there, it's not in correctly. So I'm gonna have to, I got a oil hole here. So what I'm gonna do is roll it back out and then go again with it. And I'll check the bearing, make sure I haven't messed anything up, but it was a brand new standard, but I've got plenty more. So anyway, I think I'm gonna stop here today though, because we got rain coming. Oh, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out for today. I may pick it up tomorrow. I'm gonna check and see how many clips I got and how long they are. I may go ahead and post this one. But anyway, let's, I got this one in, but not correctly, so it's coming back out. This one's in okay. That's number 6. Number 5's okay. Number 4. Number 4 is okay. 3, the thrust bearing I've yet to do. 1 and 2 is done, but I'm probably going to go ahead and pull those caps off and look at them again and make sure they're right. And anyway, out for today. I'll pick this up tomorrow, Sunday morning, and I'm preparing to pull out number 7 upper. I failed to get the number 7 upper bearing installed correctly, so I'm going to have to pull it back out and reinstall. This is a My Jeep update, Sunday morning, and I've been working on number 7, and let me get a little closer, zoom in. Okay, all right, I had this bearing and it wasn't in straight. It was way over towards the backside of the crank, and I took it about halfway, a little over half. No, I took it completely out. Okay, you can see I call it a tab. I think they call it a tang. I just found that out. But anyway, I took that bearing completely out, inspected it. It was fine. Cleaned it up, re-oiled it, and I've got it, as you can see, maybe a tiny bit over halfway in. And I'm going to finish it. I'm going to need both hands. I'll see you on the next clip. Next clip, and as you can see, I got it in this time, but it went in crooked again. You know, after I got it about 3/4 of the way in, it was sliding back off to the back again, and it was not straight. So I brought it back out a little bit, and then this time, instead of hammering it in or tapping it with the mallet, I used my I was very careful, and I used my brass punch, and I finished tapping it in with the brass punch, and it went on in straight, and it seems to be set now where it's supposed to be. Both sides, let me get the, okay, yeah, as you can see, both sides are in. All right, that's number 7. So after lunch, I'm going to try my, I believe I've got everything. Yeah, let me double check. All right, get some light up here. Number 7's in. 6 is in. Number 5 is in. Number 4 is in. Number 3, thrust bearing is not in yet. 2 and 1 are in. So after lunch, I'm going to work on the thrust bearing. I'll see you in the next clip. Well, folks, during lunch, a lot of weather moved in, and we got tropical weather off the coast. I had to close up shop because of the rain blowing in. And hopefully, maybe Monday I can get back to it, weather permitting. Thanks for watching. And please come back on the next update. My Jeep out.